This story is called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones by Ruth Heller. Here is the title page. Chickens lay the eggs you buy. The eggs you boil or fry or die or leave alone so you can see what grew inside naturally. Oh, is that what happens? Normally we would do this in class. I'm wondering if we can do that online somehow. Did anybody dye Easter eggs this week? Chickens aren't the only ones. Ooh, look at this pretty peacock. Every bird, wild or tame, does the same. The ostrich lays the largest egg, the hummingbird the smallest. Oh, look, here's the little hummingbird egg, and here's the ostrich egg. Here's the ostrich. Chickens aren't the only ones. Most snakes lay eggs, and lizards too, and crocodiles and turtles do. Ooh, these eggs look different though, right? Do they look the same as a chicken egg? How are they different? And dinosaurs, who are extinct, but they were reptiles too. Frogs and toads and salamanders lay eggs, and when they hatch, they're tadpoles who grow legs and climb a lily pad just like their mom and dad. They don't have claws or scaly skins. They are called amphibians. Fish eggs float up to the surface or sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. This mother seahorse lays her eggs into the father's pouch. He keeps them there until they hatch, and then he's through. I think that's nice of him, don't you? These fathers too are helping out by guarding eggs protected by that foamy mass that's floating by. And they won't leave until they're sure that all the eggs have hatched. Ooh, so the dads take care of the eggs. These don't look like eggs to me, but they were laid in the sea. This one by a shark. Oh, so this is a shark egg. Oh, you can't see it. This one's a shark egg, and this one's a stingray egg. This one by a ray is a mermaid's purse, they say. The octopus is said to shed 100,000 eggs and then to hang them up in strings attached to rocks or caves. The moon snail eggs are mixed with sand to form this collar-looking band. So here's their eggs. Spiders wrap their eggs in sacks. And snails, you know, are very slow, but they lay eggs that hatch and grow. And so do insects, who have 6 legs and lay many different kinds of eggs. This one will hatch into a hungry caterpillar who will grow and grow and grow and then climb up a stem and change into this, a chrysalis, and change again one summer morn That's how a butterfly is born. Have you guys been seeing butterflies? I've been seeing lots of butterflies fly around my neighborhood lately. Animals with fur or hair who nurse their young and don't lay eggs are known as mammals or mammalia. We've been talking a lot about mammals in class, haven't we? Spiny anteater. But these are two exceptions, and they both live in Australia. So the spiny anteater and the duckbill platypus. They are the only mammals who lay eggs. Chickens aren't the only ones. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who lays an egg is oviparous. Animals who don't lay eggs have babies born alive and well, but that's another tale to tell. Can you guys tell me? Because we learned in January we were doing our Arctic animal project, so we talked a lot about mammals. Can you guys tell me about animals that lay eggs or why an animal is called a mammal?